channel. We hope that we bring part of our world into your kitchen.
And make sure to watch our tamale video.
So now the kitchen rolls. Make sure you wash your hands, you're working your clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule in the kitchen is...
That's how we move.
Yeah. Well, that's not correct, so let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is... Bam! So now, let's get cooking! So here are the ingredients. We're gonna need our Mazeca. We're using gluten-free tamal Mazeca. That's this. We're gonna need sugar, baking soda, salt, baking powder. We're gonna need yellow food coloring. There it goes. We're gonna need our sunflower. You can find it in Walmart or Amazon. Yeah. We're gonna need our corn husk, tamale husk. We're gonna need 3 sticks of butter. We're gonna need pineapple. You can add as many as you want or more. And your pineapple juice separate. And our vanilla extract. Yep, and now, oh wait, and our Instapot, the magical Instapot. We're gonna work hard, not fast. Oh, and we're also gonna need our mixer.
You're gonna work hard, not fast?
I mean fast, not hard.
And make your mama proud.
So now let's get to it. So we're gonna rinse them and then put them in our bowl and let them sit. So we're gonna leave our corn husk in the warm water with a lid on top so they can soak. And now we're going to get our tamales ready. So now I'm going to cream my brother. No. I meant the cream is gonna cream my brother. No. I meant my brother is gonna cream the butter.
Okay, and you go butter number 1, and you go butter number 2, and you go butter number 3.
And meanwhile, he's creaming the butter. I'm gonna mix all the dried ingredients together. Okay. Don't cream yourself, Ian. So I'm pouring the salt and the baking soda and the baking powder.
How is my head gonna fit in those together?
We're gonna need a bigger mixing bowl, Ian.
Make sure you increase the speed, and then we're gonna let it mix for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna pour our sugar. Now, joke time.
Okay.
How does Aileen introduce this friend? Meat patty.
Because a meat patty and a meat patty. Thank you for the treat.
Okay. So you make sure you scrape your edges. I already did that, so now I'm gonna pour.
Scrape the edges like this.
Now I'm gonna pour my sugar slowly.
Or maybe I should tell it to my mom.
Okay, I'm here.
Why did the rooster go to the store?
I know. Yes.
A rooster went to the store
I know.
to find a chicken?
No, because he didn't have any more eggs.
What?
He was on a healthy diet.
The rooster was on a healthy diet.
That's just funny.
Let's increase the speed to 4.
Why did the giraffe not want us to go back to elementary school?
The giraffe? I don't know. That's a good one.
Because they were already in high school. Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Okay, so now we're gonna start
scrape the edges. That's a funny joke.
I left you hanging.
How did the snowman introduce his snow girlfriend?
The
With
snowman.
a carrot. How do you know? Because he had lots of nose. Because it was eaten by a person.
Wait, what?
Yeah, a person ate the carrot off the nose because they did not see the snowman because it's snow.
What about a reindeer? So
Make sure you put it to
number 2.
2 because you do not want to have an explosion.
So now we're going to add our wet ingredients.
Pineapple,
Juice.
piña colada. Hey, who wants me to make a piña colada for them?
Me. They're delicious.
I know.
Oh wait, it's like
It's splashing. I think
Yeah.
you need to stop it, Ian. Okay, now let's add our vanilla.
a bit splashy.
Now you have to scrape it again.
Again.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're gonna start adding our maseca.
Some of them.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Slow as a turtle.
Ooh, this is the perfect time for knock knock joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Joe.
Joe who?
Joe, mama, it's dinner time.
What?
It's dinner time.
So now we're gonna pour all of our pineapple.
Ooh. What did the pineapple say when it saw pineapple getting cut in half?
Interesting. I really
Don't
know.
eat me.
No. Pineapples attack!
Wait, is this pineapple gonna attack us? So now we're gonna pour all of our maseca in.
Tamale.
So now that we have all of our masa and all the ingredients in our KitchenAid, now we have to change it to.
It is me, Captain Hook! I came to get the treasure. Ooh, are those tamales? The piña?
take that.
Ooh, I love those. Can I have one?
Yes, if you let us use your hook.
Yes. Also,
The other way, baby.
The other way?
Now it's there.
Okay.
also, when you mix.
Now we're gonna put our food coloring. Yellow. Okay. Bye bye food coloring. And
Our
masa is done. So
quick tip. So, you have to try your
Your
masa
masa.
before you make the tamales.
because
You
it
can
could be.
so this is how you get it. You get it, you put it on a plate.
Because it could be that you need more sugar, more
Pineapple.
butter, pineapple.
Yeah, so now we're gonna put it in the microwave
For
for
1 minute. So now to taste it.
Perfect.
So good.
Now let's make our tamales.
Yeah. So now we're going to show you how to make our tamales.
And tip, if you find any small ones, just whip it like that.
And you can tie the ends of your tamal like this. This is how
Oi.
you know they're sweet.
You could do it the Ian way. Santa bag.
So you're going to get your old hat and you have to put it on the soft part, not the hard. Like this.
There's
Now.
2 sides.
Yeah. Now you're just going to get your masa, a whole bunch of it, and put it right in the middle. Come on, get off of it. That's good. It's a lot. Now you're going to fold this part in, this, like that, and then fold this in, and then strip.
2.
Oh wait, there's some over here.
I have 2 for you.
It's still the same. And then you're gonna get the end, twist it up. This is how I do it. Twist it up. And then you tie the end up like this. It has to be really tight. And same with the other side. Now my little strip. tamale. Now, let's do our tamales. So we're ready, and now we're gonna make our tamales. So we're gonna need our sunflower. Sorry, Ian. We're gonna put it inside of the Instapot.
You're gonna pour your water
We have 5 cups of water.
in total, but we only have 4. We're gonna add 1 more cup of water. Now we're gonna fix our tamales.
Yeah, so just lay them down. So now we're gonna put it for 45 minutes.
Manual. 45 minutes. And
Oh
we
wait, back 45.
and we have 21 tamales.
Yep. And then we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes when they're done, and then open our crock pot and make sure it's sealed. So we'll see you when they're done. So we waited 15 minutes after our tamales were done, and now it's time to open it and get some tamales. So and open it this way so all the steam can go away from your face.
You don't want it in your face because that is hot.
And now we're gonna grab some tamales and put it on our plate and then eat them. So they're done! Now it's time to taste them.
You guys have to hurry up
Why?
because I'm winning.
No!
They're amazing, guys. Oh my gosh.
So good. It's so moisty, so
soft.
fluffy, so soft.
They're delicious. You guys are amazing.
Mwah.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Forky.
Forky who?
Forky, what is a tamale?
So, well, there's an American and a Mexican way. How about our way? Dulce de leche, ice cream.
Ian way, Aileen way. Now, disfrútalo.